High above the world, shrouded in swirling mists and kissed by the golden light of the sun, lay Mount Olympus. This was no mere mountain, it was the beating heart of the cosmos, the sacred dwelling of the gods, and upon its lofty peak, on a throne of shimmering gold, sat Zeus. He was the king of Olympus, the lord of the sky, the ruler of gods and men. His name echoed with the rumble of thunder, and his presence commanded awe and obedience. The air crackled with energy around his throne. The very mountains seemed to tremble with his power. From his seat, Zeus surveyed all creation. His gaze pierced the clouds, reaching across the vast expanse of the world. He was Zeus, and his reign was absolute. Zeus was a figure of immense presence. He was often depicted as a bearded man in the prime of life, his face a mask of stern authority. His eyes, said to be able to see all things, blazed with a fierce intelligence. His voice, when he chose to use it, could shake the heavens, a sound akin to the roaring of the sea in a tempestuous storm. But it was the symbols of his power that truly set him apart. In his hand, he clutched the thunderbolt, a weapon forged by the Cyclops in the heart of a volcano. With it, he unleashed his wrath, bolts of searing energy that could shatter mountains and incinerate his enemies. At his side often perched his loyal companion, the eagle. This majestic bird, with its keen eyesight and soaring flight, was a symbol of Zeus's dominion over the heavens. Zeus was a sight to behold, the embodiment of power and majesty, a god worthy of both fear and reverence. The story of Zeus's rise to power is a tale of rebellion and cosmic struggle. His father, the Titan Kronos, was a tyrant who ruled the universe with an iron fist. He feared his own children, believing a prophecy that foretold his downfall at their hands. To prevent this, he devoured each of his children as they were born. However, Rhea, Zeus's mother, was a cunning goddess. She devised a plan to save her youngest child. When Zeus was born, she spirited him away to the island of Crete, hiding him in a cave on Mount Ida. In his place, she gave Kronos a stone wrapped in swaddling clothes, which he swallowed without a second thought. Hidden from his father's wrath, Zeus grew into a powerful young god. When the time was right, Zeus challenged Kronos, forcing him to regurgitate his swallowed siblings. The Titanomachy, as this epic clash was known, raged for 10 long years. The Titans, led by Kronos, fought with the fury of primal forces. They hurled mountains and diverted rivers, their power shaking the very earth. But the gods, led by Zeus, were equally determined. Zeus unleashed the devastating power of his thunderbolts, splitting the heavens and scorching the earth. His brother, Poseidon, wielding his trident, stirred up monstrous waves that crashed upon the Titan's strongholds. Hades, the lord of the underworld, summoned forth legions of the dead. The tide of the battle turned when Zeus released the Cyclopes and the 100-handed Hecatoncheires from their prison in Tartarus. Finally, Kronos, weakened and despairing, fell to his son's might. With the Titans vanquished, a new order was established. The universe was divided amongst the victorious gods, a cosmic lottery determining their domains. Zeus claimed dominion over the sky, becoming the lord of the heavens. His power over the weather made him a force to be reckoned with. Poseidon claimed dominion over the vast oceans. He ruled the waves and the creatures within. Hades was given dominion over the underworld, the realm of the dead. He judged the dead and ensured the smooth running of the afterlife. This division of power brought order to the cosmos. Zeus ensured each god respected their domains. 12 gods resided on Mount Olympus, forming the core of the Olympian Council. Hera, Zeus's wife, was the goddess of marriage and women. Her presence commanded respect, and her wrath was legendary. Ares, the god of war, was a source of conflict. Athena, the goddess of wisdom, balanced Ares' impulsiveness. Apollo, the god of music, filled Olympus with melodies. Artemis, the goddess of the hunt, was fierce and independent. Hephaestus, the god of the forge, was a master craftsman. Aphrodite, the goddess of love, captivated all with her charm. Hermes, the messenger god, was quick-witted and swift-footed. Zeus, despite his position and power, was not immune to the allure of love and desire. He was notorious for his amorous escapades, his heart as restless as the storms he commanded. He was said to have taken on many forms to woo his lovers, transforming himself into a shower of golden rain to seduce Danae, or disguising himself as a magnificent white bull to abduct Europa. His relationships were numerous and often tumultuous. He pursued goddesses, nymphs, and mortals alike, his divine charm proving irresistible. These liaisons often resulted in the birth of demigods, heroes of extraordinary abilities who walked the line between the mortal and divine realms. His dalliances, however, frequently incurred the wrath of Hera, his jealous wife. Despite the conflicts and complications, Zeus's amorous adventures added a layer of human complexity to his divine persona. From his numerous relationships, Zeus fathered a vast and influential progeny. His children, both divine and demigod, inherited aspects of his power, their names etched into the annals of Greek mythology. There was Ares, the god of war, and Athena, the goddess of wisdom and strategic warfare. Apollo, the radiant god of music, light and prophecy, and Artemis, the fierce and independent goddess of the hunt and the wilderness, were twins born of his union with Leto. Hermes, the quick-witted messenger god, was a testament to Zeus's cunning and agility. Among his demigod children, some rose to become legendary heroes. Heracles, renowned for his superhuman strength and his completion of the 12 labors, was a testament to Zeus's own might. These demigod children, born from both love and conflict, played pivotal roles in numerous myths, their deeds shaping the destiny of both gods and mortals. One of the most enduring legacies of Zeus was the establishment of the Olympic Games, held in Olympia, a sanctuary dedicated to Zeus. These games were a testament to his love of competition and his belief in human potential. Every 4 years, athletes from across the Greek world would gather to compete in a variety of athletic contests. The Temple of Zeus at Olympia, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, housed a magnificent statue of the god, sculpted by Phidias. The Olympic Games were more than just athletic competitions. They were a time of peace, a sacred truce during which all conflicts were set aside. They were a celebration of human achievement, a testament to the enduring spirit of competition and the pursuit of excellence, values embodied by Zeus himself. The Romans, with their own rich pantheon of gods, recognized the power and majesty of Zeus, incorporating him into their own mythology as Jupiter. Jupiter, like his Greek counterpart, was the king of the gods, the ruler of the heavens, and the protector of Rome. He shared many attributes with Zeus, wielding thunderbolts, commanding the skies, and fathering numerous heroes and demigods. However, Jupiter also embodied aspects of Roman culture and values. He was seen as a stern but just ruler, a protector of the state, and a guarantor of Roman law and order. The influence of Zeus through his Roman counterpart extended far beyond the realm of mythology, shaping the political, social, and religious landscape of the Roman Empire. The stories of Zeus, the king of the gods, continue to resonate in the modern world, transcending their ancient origins. His image, wielding the thunderbolt, remains an enduring symbol of power and authority. From literature and art to film and popular culture, his influence is pervasive. Archaeological discoveries continue to unearth remnants of his worship, from the ruins of his temples to the intricate sculptures that once adorned his sanctuaries. Zeus, the king of the gods, the ruler of the heavens, the dispenser of justice, and the embodiment of both power and passion, remains a figure of enduring fascination. His stories, passed down through generations, continue to inspire, entertain, and challenge us, reminding us of the power of myth to connect us to the past, illuminate the present, and shape our understanding of the world around us.